the more modern space just brings that focus, and for me has made me more interested in learning and coming to school and just having this newer space that's inviting. Before the construction, some things were falling apart, or, this sink didn't work, or this chair is falling apart, and now I think you get to focus more on your learning instead of like, okay, I need to go to the other side of the classroom to use this sink that does work.
One space that I'm really excited to see is the art wing, because before all the renovations, it was kind of dirty, to be honest, and now that everything else is put in, the ceiling should not be open, and everyone should be pretty happy about that. Well, I think everybody's very grateful for all the action that the community's taken. I'm excited to see all the new spaces. I'm very grateful towards everybody who helped fund this and push it forward. Thank you for investing in me.
Thank you for investing in me.